The all-electric Toyota BZ4X features future-forward technology. This can be seen in its available hands-free power rear liftgate, which offers an easy way to access the cargo area when your hands are full. This is how to use it. Make sure that the touchless sensor operation is enabled, the vehicle is off, and that you have your smart key with you. Walk up to the rear of the vehicle, noting the sensor icon located in the center. Quickly kick your foot in and out underneath the lower center part of the rear bumper within 1 second to trigger the sensor. Don't hold your foot under the bumper, as it may prevent the sensor from activating. The buzzer will sound when the sensor recognizes the kick-in motion of the foot. Step away from the rear of the vehicle to allow the liftgate to open, keeping in mind that it may take a moment. This feature also works for closing the liftgate by doing another kick motion. Alternatively, you can simply press the close and lock button and walk away. The walk away function recognizes when your key fob leaves a specified distance and automatically closes the liftgate and locks the doors. That's how to use the available hands-free power rear liftgate on BZ4X. For more information, visit toyota.com/BZ4X.